X5M Competition black on two-tone beige. I'm going to be showing you all the features of this car and I hope you enjoy it. This is an amazing car that has all the features on it. If you have any question, please let me know. This is the interior of this car. As you can see, outer space. You see the interior as well. It looks like from here. I'm going to show you the back. There's no spare tires because they're all run flats. So you don't need a spare tire. You can still drive it while you get punctured. We're going to press this to be closed. As you can see, the XM Competition. These are the exhaust. Back. I'll show you the passenger side as well. This is the passenger side. This is quite something. It's unbelievable. Love this car. Soft closed doors as well. And this is the mirror for the car. I'm going to show you the driver assistant package. This is the camera that we have right in front that will give you active cruise control, lane departure, blind spot, and evasion assist and other features as well for safety. Here we have front view camera which helps you with recording for the accident and saves you. Here we have BMW emblem, 50 years M, and BMW X5M. These are the laser lights that we have in the front. These are the sensors in the front. So all the safety features is being in this car. So we have, this is the console that we have. You have the different way of setting up your suspensions, the way you're going to be driving. That's the rear view camera, and all the information will be here with the iDrive. Here in the front we have cold and heat cup holders, so you can put your hot drinks and cold drinks here to warm it up and cool it off. And in the front we have different suspension. If you can see, we're going to change that. Efficient, Sport, and Sport Plus. On your drive, you can change the comfort, you can change it to Sport, you can change it to different way as you wish. So braking, steering, chassis, and engine. What a way to go, what a way to drive. So let me show you something else that is very cool in here. This is your driver assistant package. They can change it at any time you want. So you have individuals. As you can see, the cars coming on the side and front. We're going to go to the side and configure it in different ways. And that's your driving safety package. Okay, let's have a look at the interior of this car. As you can see, we have the two-tone colors here. Massage for the passenger and driver side. Power folding mirrors. And Harman Kardon sound system. The interior will be carbon fiber trim all over the place. And this is the front dash. You can see that. And we have the X5M seats. It's been added on. we go. We have the M1 and M2. This is your driver assistant package. You can program it in a different way for active cruise control. Heated steering wheel and your M badge and the stitch in every single M cars that you have, that you see it all around. That's your speaker and your phone and your volumes. And as you can see, this is your dash. Altogether is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you the lights. So what you see here, these are your lights that you can turn them on in different colors if you like. At nighttime, you're going to see different colors. And he has about 1,000 lights added onto your sunroof, so it can shine at nighttime. On the roof, we have Alcantara. Nice suede black all around, as you can see.